Hey guys, I found some new pre-made pizza crusts to try out. So let's get toasting. I recently started seeing these pre-made pizza crusts down at the produce market in front of my house. These are by the Essential Baking Company. I've tried their bread before and I really like their bread, so I kind of wanted to try these out. I actually made one for dinner last night and I liked it. I figured I'd try it first before I made a video and see if it was video worthy, and I thought it was. Only 5 ingredients in these, just organic unbleached wheat flour, water, organic extra virgin olive oil, sea salt, and yeast. That's it. These are like about 10-inch crusts, so they fit perfectly in my toaster oven. So let's make a pizza here. First we'll get it sauced up. I bought this sauce at the produce market as well. This was $5 for that bottle of sauce. It's pretty good sauce, but I normally don't pay that much for pizza sauce. I usually buy the stuff that's about $1, $1.50 per bottle. These crusts were $5 and there was 2 in the pack, so it wasn't too bad. I mean, it's about average for pizza crusts, I guess. This is putting a little cheese on here. This is Mexican cheese. It's what I happen to have, so a little cheese on there. I'm just using things I had on hand in the refrigerator for this. So I had about 4 or 5 mushrooms I cut up there, and 2 red pearl onions, and a little bit of spinach here that I'm just kind of tear up a little bit. And I'm also gonna add just a little bit of avocado oil to that, just to kind of moisten all that up so it won't be dry. And I'm gonna season it with a little bit of Johnny's seasoned pepper. This has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it besides the pepper, and a little bit of salt. And just kind of mix that all up. Now I'll get this on there. And a few of these mini pepperonis. And I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit more cheese over the top of that. My oven is set to bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I'll just slide my oven rack right on in there, and I'll just keep an eye on it and let you guys know how long that takes. It's been 8 minutes and I think that's done. Let me see if I can slide it onto a plate here. Perfect. This smells so good. Let me grab a piece and we'll try it out here. That is really good crust. I really like that. I guess we better see if Annie likes it. I'm not sure if she's a pizza dog or not, but I guess we'll find out. Want to try this, Annie? A little trouble chewing it there, but she's eating it. I guess that's Annie approved. You alright? I've tried quite a few different pre-made crusts, but I think this one is my new favorite. It tastes just like homemade. They also make a thicker crust, I believe. I think I might try that one of these days as well. So, the Essential Baking Company. If you see these, you might want to give them a try. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys next time.